How to replace the battery on a Ford Kuga key fob. You don't need much effort to do this, you don't need much equipment, just a small flathead screwdriver and also a new battery. So you're going to need a CR2032. So we've got our battery ready. All we need to do, first of all, you'll see at the end of the key fob there's button presses on either side. And this, when you push those in, will release the top section. And there is the mechanical key underneath. We need to take this out, so we just put the finger in there, take that out. And now what we want to do is just put the screwdriver in the top end and just push it in, and you'll feel it just give way. There we go, and that is now releasing the other side, and there we go. There is our battery on that side and the circuit board on that side, so we just need to prise out the battery now. So let's just use the screwdriver again to get underneath. It's worth remembering which way up it is. You can see in this one the flat side of the battery is underneath, so that's, there it is, the 2032 lithium battery. So let's get the replacement, and we put that again same way up, just fits in there. Bring the other half of the key fob, you see there's a little clip at the top here, and that's what is the key bit putting it back together. So we just put it at the base first of all, so just line them up. It's easier to compress at the base first of all, away from the top end, and there we go, it just clips back together. Nice sharp sound. We put the key back in, and then we put the cover back on that, and there we go, we've replaced our key fob. It's as simple as that. So that'll save you a few pounds, a few dollars from your local garage. If you found that video useful, please give me a thumbs up, help support the channel. Thanks for watching.